So how do you let Snapchat access your camera on the iPad? Let's get started. So if you're new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, Snapchat has probably asked for the camera access and you probably clicked on a not allow or whatever happened, but you can still change that later, right? So what you can do is to open up the settings app of the iPad, and on the main panel at the bottom you can see we have the dedicated apps section. So you have to click there, and here is the place for all of the apps on the iPad and the settings accompanied with those apps, right? So from the list, just find Snapchat, and in there you should be able to find the ability to tweak the camera settings. So not only the camera, there also should be the microphone and a photo access, right? So all of those things can be changed, and you can just let Snapchat access your camera by allowing it here, or the microphone as well if you need to record the videos, right? So plenty of options to pick from or tweak in here. Keep in mind, however, that specifically the camera settings and camera permissions can be found in the privacy and security section, where you have a dedicated camera section, as I say, and in there you can see all of the apps which can access it, right? So not just specifically Snapchat, but all of the other ones have that available too. So let me know if you managed to change that or make it work on your device. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in those upcoming videos. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.